It would be like us going outside and seeing those bushes on fire, yet there's no snow, yet the bush is still green. I felt that for myself. I've been in some fires, y'all, but I'm still green.